Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Start by rinsing the bumper with 1 cup water and 1 tablespoon dish soap. Work from top to bottom to avoid dragging grit over paint. Use 2 microfiber cloths to gently dry and avoid creating new scratches. Inspect the transfer area closely to determine whether the mark sits on the clear coat or deeper into the paint. If the scratch is only surface transfer, you can remove it with a clay bar or mild rubbing compound. If paint removal is deeper, consider professional repair options. Use a clay bar to remove surface transfer after washing and drying the bumper. Lubricate the area with 1 cup water mixed with 1 tablespoon soap before gliding the clay bar slowly. If transfer remains, apply a pea-sized amount of rubbing compound to a foam applicator pad. Rub gently in circular motions for 30 to 60 seconds until the mark fades. For stubborn adhesive residue, dab 91% isopropyl on a cloth and test on a small area first to avoid damaging clear coat. After removing the transfer, apply a dime-sized amount of automotive polish to the area. Use a clean microfiber cloth and buff with light pressure until the finish restores gloss. Follow with a coat of wax or paint sealant to protect the clear coat from future transfers and UV damage. Allow wax to cure per product instructions, usually 10 to 15 minutes before final buffing. Inspect your work under bright light and repeat rubbing compound and polish steps if any faint marks remain visible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.